Hello, this was shared with me so I can share it with you, and this is an LED spotlight. Now, a couple things about this particular spotlight. It is non-stroboscopic. It has efficient heat dissipation. It has a long life, and it has high brightness. So we're going to get this open here. You can use this as a night light or as a light on something you're trying to feature. My favorite sign on the wall. Has a little remote, has the charger, and then we have the actual little spotlight. And this one here is white. And as you see here, this part here moves however you need it to shine. And then the bottom part here, this is magnetic. So you can stick it wherever you want to. So if you want to put it on your wall or on your dresser, your bedstand, whatever you want to do there, you just put this part here on the back. This is a adhesive backing there. You just peel that back and then you stick that wherever you want it to be. Then you're going to apply a magnet, and then this will just point wherever you want it to point. So we'll get this charged here so we can give you a little example of the light. So now we got this bad boy charged. So we just touch this part right here. You can see there you got the white light. There's a golden color, and then there's the white. And then there's a soft white. It's kind of hard to tell with the camera, but there's 1, 2, 3 different shades. And so then you can just use this as a spotlight on your favorite item, or maybe even a night light, depending on how you want it to shine. It also has this part here, which turns. You can see there, it'll go straight up in the air, or you can turn it down like this. If you want it to go to the left or to the right, it does that as well. Something on your wall that you want to illuminate, you can do it that way as well, or keep it just as an emergency light. If power goes out, you have this charged and ready. And this just, again, this little button there just turns it on and off. And there you have it. So if you are looking for a nice little convenient light, check this out.